Hey traders, how we doing? Bit of a later video. I was just doing some revision for one of the courses I'm doing for work, and I lost track of time. Look, I stopped sort of looking at this chart at about 11ish or so, and the main reason it wasn't really interesting. I might go to the minute chart. The minute chart. There was a potential dip down here. 350 was a little bit of support, and we had a bounce off here. 345. I was actually talking to a friend of mine who's from Perth as well on Skype, and he got in at 345, and I think then it came back down. I think he got out at 348. I wasn't brave enough to get in, and I didn't execute. I was looking to sell here, but I couldn't get shares to short. And look, congrats to the guys that did. I just don't think I was early enough, but really had a nice big fall here from the 389 to 361, and then it fell some more to 50, and then the low was 330, and now it's sort of hovering over the lower day, consolidating with a little bit of resistance down 24%. So in conclusion, look, I didn't trade this. The main reason was it was not the best risk to reward, because I knew there was some resistance in the 360s as well. By dissecting the chart, I wanted to sort of fall a little bit more, and what I wanted to see was like a bounce off the 330, and it sort of had come up, and it was in a bit of no man's land, so I just decided not to trade that. Now, MGTI. I probably won't be able to trade tomorrow. I will try. September actually hasn't had any trades, so the main objective with things currently is just to learn the patterns and to get my entries right with the timing. And I feel like my short thesis was correct. It was just a lack of shares to short, which, I should really accepted that, because it's it's one of those stocks, really. Alright, so MGTI. I was looking for a break here higher to the 320s potentially, but that really did not happen. It opened 385, the high was 387. I was looking for maybe a 290 entry, and that wasn't really entertained at all, and now it's just come down, and it's pretty uneventful sort of chart and price action here, so no trade. Let's see if there's anything else worth mentioning. I saw this one on one of the scans I did, and it sort of shot off pretty early. Had news, but nothing really significant occurred. And I saw a couple of people in chat. I know one person in chat mentioned the historical, relevancy of this chart and how it does this and doesn't hold its gains. And that was really present. Sorry for it. It's 10 past 1 in the morning here. MARK, nothing to talk about. AMMA, oh goodness me. So, well, I was in the middle of work stuff, so it's going to be hard for me to sort of see that. See what Smart Analyst has to say. It's amazing. Why about this? I guess it shows you guys that there's just a whole lot of potential. The volume's pretty good. Yeah. Valid. Interesting. Look, nothing, guys. Nothing to report. I'll probably keep my eye on ITUS. It might have another bounce. It hasn't brought out another press release because they had this going on, and this happened yesterday, so they might bring out, the minutes on that, perhaps, or some dialogue on their website. So I'll watch out for that. Other news, there's nothing. I'm losing my voice here, guys, as well, and everyone's asleep, so I got to be quiet. But again, nothing to report. AMMA, I've missed that completely. But not really following the pattern. It's either a dip buy or it's going to be a breakout. So no trades again, guys. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.